After a short visit to the Alps and Mount Titlis, we went back to Lucerne station to catch the train to Lauterbrunnen. We purchased our train tickets for 40.60 Swiss francs each. The journey was about 3 hours and may even take longer on weekends, but seeing this amazing scenery, I wouldn't actually mind traveling longer than expected. As soon as we arrived at the Lauterbrunnen station, the driver of our free shuttle ride to our accommodation welcomed us and gladly helped us with our luggages.
We tried going to Mount Titlis. Sorry? In Titlis?
Titlis, yeah?
But we didn't see anything because it's so cloudy.
Oh, that's bad.
It was a quick 5-minute car ride to Camping Jungfrau. To book your shuttle service, you need to get in touch with the holiday park. That's the view of the falls, the greenery, the mountain, and this is our unit. We chose to book the camper van for 2 nights for 200 Swiss francs. Open it. Oh, you left the key inside. You have the toilet here. And then you have the kitchen. And bedroom. There's also a sunroof in the kitchen. So when you go outside again, we couldn't wait to see more of Lauterbrunnen. So as soon as we have settled in, we excitedly went out to take a stroll around the village. Lauterbrunnen in German means many springs, a perfect term to describe this little valley as it is surrounded with no less than 72 thundering waterfalls tucked between vertical rock walls and snow-capped mountains. We're at Camping Jungfrau, and that's the Stobach Falls. And this is our view. Anywhere you go, you'll hear the sound of water rushing down the rocks. Stobach Falls is one of the highest waterfalls in Europe at 297 meters, and the water is free falling off the cliffs. The most beautiful waterfall I've seen so far. We ended the day with a dinner at the Swiss restaurant in Camping Jungfrau. We ordered the farmer's sausage with onion sauce plus rosti and salad, a slice of chocolate cake, and 2 glasses of beer. What are you cooking?
Bacon and eggs for breakfast with corn salad.
Hi, Riley.
Morning.
After a good night's rest, we spent the morning with a breakfast specially prepared by Riley just outside their camper van with this beautiful view of the waterfalls. After breakfast, we spent the day at Interlaken, which will be featured in our next video. Enjoyed our last night in the camper van and woke up early, ready to live for Paris.
Bye.
Our trip to Lauterbrunnen Valley was short, but it has become my favorite place amongst all the places that we've been to. A tiny piece of heaven in Europe. We can't wait to go back.
Okay, do you need a
If you would like to follow our Eurotrip adventures, then please subscribe to my channel so you get notified when a new video is up.